Leaked Galaxy Note 20 Ultra hands-on video shows off new features. The leaks are picking up the pace as we approach the Samsung August 5th Galaxy Unpacked event. The Galaxy Note 20 and Galaxy Note 20 Ultra will finally be unveiled, but till that happens, the leaks are giving us great idea of what to expect. A new, albeit rather short, hands-on video of Galaxy Note 20 Ultra has leaked online today. It highlights some of the new camera functionality that will be present on the upcoming flagship device. Take a look at some of the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra new features. Earlier reports had suggested that despite using a periscopic camera system, the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra won't offer the same 100 times space zoom as the Galaxy S20 Ultra. Samsung is believed to have made meaningful improvement to the camera, which would eliminate many of the pain points that affected the Galaxy S20 Ultra early on. The maximum zoom level was reported being capped at 50 times, and that's what that video shows. The Galaxy Note 20 Ultra will support 5x optical zoom and up to 50 times of space zoom in 10, 20 and 50 increments. Also highlighted in another recent report, the Pro Video mode will give users the option to change the resolution and will support video recording in an ultra-wide 20:9 aspect ratio in up to 8K resolution. A histogram will also be available in Pro mode. It's tools that display the tonal value of the images, allowing for more precise image composition. The Pro mode will allow users to choose between the front and rear microphone for audio recording. Front and rear both are external microphones that are connected over Bluetooth or USB. Scene Describer is a feature that Samsung has built for Bixby Vision. It's going to be very useful for visually impaired, as they will be able to capture a scene with the device and have Bixby read out an audio description. It appears that the Android Nearby feature will come with Samsung devices with One UI 2.5, which is what the Galaxy Note 20 series will ship with out of the box. Nearby sharing is a Google very own AirDrop competitor. Samsung already brought a similar feature to its devices with One UI 2.1 called Quick Share. However, Quick Share only facilitates files and content transfer between Samsung devices. Nearby sharing will work with any and all Android devices that support it. The Galaxy Note 20 lineup is due to unveil on August 5th during Samsung's virtual Galaxy Unpacked event. So guys, what do you think about this new feature in the camera department for the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and also please do consider subscribing my channel for more updates. Thanks for watching this video. Peace out.